All right, so I have peroneal subluxation. We're going to just continue from what Penny went over with phase 1 and 2. So phase 3 from weeks 10 to 16, we can focus on some strength. So the first thing I'm going to have her do, we're going to do heel raises with a ther band. So I'll place this around her legs. Good. With the main focus on keeping subtalar neutral when she comes up, so you can come up, and not letting the heel roll in or out. So that's what can typically happen. So we want to force that eversion now because we can start tendon loading. So we can do these static. We can do a couple like this, and then we can also progress dynamically and move forward. So if you can demonstrate that. Good. You can turn around. Making sure she's keeping tension on the band the whole time. Maybe taking a little bit less steps. Good. And relax. And then take the band off. We can focus on a balance exercise. So now we're going to stay right here. And we're going to set up these two cones and then stand on the affected leg. In this case, we will say it is the left leg. So I'm going to put a ther band. So actually you can keep that down in between. Good. So the goal here is I'm going to give her the color of the cone, and she's going to have to press it with the opposite hand. While I'm giving her an inversion force, she's got to force the foot to stay off the ground. Okay, so can you tap the green cone? Good, try and use the opposite hand. Good, and then orange. Use the opposite hand. There you go. Orange. Green. Opposite hand. There you go. So we get a cognitive task in there. And good. And you can see it kind of challenges her, and I'm making sure she's maintaining that position. Good. And relax. Then this next one you can do is the running man on the phone. Thank you for it. So the patient's going to be here with their shoes off, so I can demonstrate it. On the phone, she can come back and then explode up. So she comes from double leg static to a dynamic movement on one leg. So I'm going to make sure she's maintaining that subtalar neutral. Good. She's able to explode, and the pad is providing her some good proprioceptive input, and then she can start to an explosive jump. Good. And the last one, she can put her shoes on, and we can progress in this last one to her bounce. So for these bounds, the important part is going to be for her to slow down the movement. So it's easy when you can go really fast, but if you can slow down and then control the foot from the inversion eversion, it's going to make it a little harder. So what we would do is make sure that it's nice and controlled on an ankle to progress. So you stand on the opposite leg, and you bound, hold, and then bound and hold. Okay. Good. Good. And I would ask the patient, how did that feel?
It was hard.
And which part of the foot did you feel that you were landing on?
Forefoot.
Forefoot in the front? Good. So next time we want more of a contact where you're getting both the inside and lateral part. So we're not just stepping on the lateral side of the foot. Okay. And that would conclude each phase.